Hey guys, Ben here. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through on this review of this platform, which is called Collabstar. This platform is good for influencers or business owners that are trying to promote their products and they are trying to find a paid way on how to get instant traffic to their website. So this is the best platform that I've found online, which can help you get everything that I just said instantly. So to people like influencers that are trying to sell shoutouts, this is the best platform as well. So if you're on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube, you can simply join as an influencer. Then you can set up your profile like that. This person is on Instagram, is selling a shout out for 1,600. This person is also selling a shout out for 70, and this person is also selling a shout out for 55. This guy right there is doing a shout out for 8,000 US dollars. And the whole thing, these guys, what they are doing is simply coming to this website, joining as an influencer, then setting up a profile like that, and then waiting for people to book a shout out with them, guys. So that's what they are doing. So if you're an influencer, click on where it says join as an influencer. Then it's going to take you to this page where you need to add your username. So your username for your account, you can simply add it right there. For example, Ben Grinds, and then you can click on where it says claim. Then you're going to be taken to another page where you're going to finish filling out an application. Let me just show you in case you guys want to see that. So now it's going to ask you for your full name, your email, and password. When you click on sign up, then you're going to go to your dashboard and you're going to start setting up your profile like these other guys we just seen, like these guys. And then you'll be able to set a price, set your picture, add your location, add more accounts to your profile, and everything like that. Now when it comes to people that are selling products like this product, these lotions, and everything, all you simply have to do is come to this platform, um, sign up for an account, find the social media influencer that is going to promote your product. For example, this guy, if you're willing to pay 8,000, simply click on this guy. Let's go for someone who's reasonable. This guy is selling a product, a shout out for 8,000. Oh my g. So once you click on the influencer that you want to buy a shout out from, you can simply buy a story. So this person will make a story for you, and with your tag is going to tag you. And then you can also change story plus review. Or so this person, when you choose a story plus review, this person will be able to charge you 85. And then when you click on continue, you're going to pay for this, and then you're going to add extra information what you want this person to talk about in that story review. Or you can simply contact this person, discuss further, and then once you agree on the terms that you both agree on, you're going to come back and then purchase the plan that you chose, if it's 85, 70, or $100. So this is what you have to do if you're a person who's doing drop shipping, or you're trying to sell your own merch and you're trying to have a brand ambassador for your merch, if you are selling merch maybe on print on demand. So those are the things that you have to understand about this platform. So you can use this platform to drive traffic to your website by allowing people with bigger audiences and a huge following to send direct traffic to your website, so that they'll be able to check out your online store. Or you can join as an influencer and offer the same service that we're talking about to other people that want people to check out their store, or their website or their profile. You can also use this platform to grow yourself a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, an Instagram account. So this person on the has an Instagram linked to this platform, but if you check for more influencers, you'll find there are people that have different accounts here. So you can see, so let's scroll down. If you choose platform, you can see these are the platforms that you can sign up with: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. So if we choose YouTube, you search. So once you search for YouTubers, you can see these are some YouTubers and how much they are selling their shout outs. So if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and you want someone with a bigger audience to send some traffic to your YouTube channel, you can simply come to this website, pick an influencer, send them what your YouTube channel is about, then tell them what you want them to do. If it's giving a shout out to your YouTube channel and recommending their audience to check you out and give you a sub, they can do that. It's all about what you guys discuss and what this influencer accepts on their YouTube channel for a shout out. So there are so many ways on how you can use these platforms to your advantage. If you're a person who buys traffic, you can use this traffic, like I said, to grow your social media account. You can use this platform to drive traffic to your store and make some money. So those are just two ways on how you can get started with this platform, guys. So those are two ways that I can think of right away on how you can utilize this platform if you're a person that buys traffic. But for people like us who are content creators and grow audiences on social media, you can also sign up for free and offer yourself as a service of providing shout outs to people that are trying to buy this service of shout outs, guys. So that's what you have to be doing when it comes to joining this platform. These are the possible things that you get to do with this platform. So I hope, guys, this video was valuable and you get to join as an influencer or simply buy traffic to your online store, or simply grow yourself a social media account as well, so that later you can join as an influencer as well and have prices like this for shout outs. So I hope this video, guys, was valuable. So if you're interested in more content like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to your boy. I'll be bringing more content like this so that you guys can also use this platform to make some money if you're driving traffic to your online store, or if you're just a person who's trying to grow an audience like these guys, so that you can also come here and join as an influencer and sign up to sell shout outs at 4,000, 1,500, 500, 200, or 350. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and I'll see you in the comments.